Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and initiating the first checks. Confirm Windows 10 is updated, then make sure any physical Bluetooth switch or function key is enabled. This powers the adapter. Next, open Settings, go to Devices, and choose Bluetooth and other devices so you can see if Bluetooth appears. Once you're viewing that panel, check the toggle. If Bluetooth is missing, don't panic. You're prepared to inspect drivers and the device manager in the next step, which finds disabled or missing adapters. Now you'll dig into drivers and the device manager to understand why Bluetooth capability is absent. Open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth and network adapters. A missing or yellow triangle device indicates driver problems. Right-click the adapter to update the driver automatically or uninstall the device, and then scan for hardware changes to force redetection. If you still see nothing, show Hidden Devices and run the built-in Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter to detect unplugged or disabled hardware. This reveals devices Windows isn't listing by default. Finish by confirming services and isolating hardware faults so you complete the capability check reliably. Open Services, find Bluetooth Support Service, set it to automatic, and start it. This often restores functionality. If internal hardware seems dead, test with a cheap USB Bluetooth dongle to see if Windows can use an external adapter. Once done, if drivers cause the issue, roll back the driver or use a recent system restore point to revert changes. If problems persist, reinstall Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.